In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive shareable link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a link that others can use to view, comment on, or edit your file or folder, and how to pick the right permission level for your needs. First, head to Google Drive and locate the file or folder you want to share. This can be anything in your My Drive or a shared drive you have access to. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right item, especially if you have multiple versions, because the link you create will grant access to whatever you choose here. Click once to select the file or folder. When it's highlighted, look toward the top right area of the screen for the share icon. It usually looks like a person with a plus sign, or sometimes a link icon depending on the interface. Click that to open the sharing panel. In the sharing panel, find the section labeled General Access. By default, it may be set to Restricted, which means only specific people you add can open it. Click the drop-down and switch it to Anyone with the link. This is what turns your file or folder into something you can share broadly without adding individual email addresses. Keep in mind that if you're using a work or school account, your administrator may limit this option. If you don't see it, that's likely why. Next, choose the permission level to the right of Anyone with the link. You'll see 3 roles. Viewer is the safest if you just want people to look at the content without making changes. Commenter is perfect for collecting feedback without handing over editing power. Editor gives full control to view, comment, and make changes, which is great for collaboration but should be used carefully. If you're sharing a folder, remember that editor access applies to all items inside the folder, so consider whether that's appropriate. Once you've set the desired access, click Copy Link. This places the shareable link onto your clipboard. If you ever need to stop sharing later, you can come back to this panel and switch general access back to restricted or adjust the permission level. Now you're ready to share. Paste the link into an email, a document, a chat, or wherever you need. A quick tip: add a brief note when you share, telling people what the link contains and what level of access they have, so there's no confusion. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready for collaboration.